Hi everybody, now in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Photoshop run really fast. Okay, I'm going to show you the processes you're supposed to go through to get that done. First, I want you to optimize your Photoshop setting to increase your RAM allocation, and to do that I want you to go to edit, and I want you to go down, scroll down to preference, and then I want you to go to performance. Now if you're using Mac, I want you to go to Photoshop, preference, and then also performance. Okay, it's almost the same thing, and then click on performance. Okay, so you're going to have all these. All right, now the thing is that I want you to set your Photoshop RAM over here between 70 to 85%. Guys, do not use 100%. Don't push it all the way to 100%. Okay, you want to reserve some for your machine as well, so you want to boost it up from between 70% all the way to 85%. You can see I am using 8 gig RAM, so that's what you're supposed to also do. Also come here, and I want you to take your graphic processor. Okay, make sure you take your graphic processor. It's also really important. You can also update your graphics card if necessary. Make sure you do that. And then guys, history, set the history to 10 or even 5. The cache level, you can set it between 8 thereabout. Okay, let me use 8 or 4, and then this side you can use 1 to 8K. Okay, so I think this is better. Cache levels to 2 or higher for optimum. So you can see I set it to 8 here. Still good. All right, so with that, then now I want you to go to your scratch disk. All right, so come to your scratch disk, and then guys, do not use the same drive where your OS or Photoshop is installed. All right, do not use the same drive where your Photoshop or your OS is installed. Do not do that. If you do that, your machine is going to run slow. Instead, this is what I want you to do. I want you to select an empty drive, for your scratch disk, an empty drive. So get an empty drive, push it in there, and then use that for your scratch disk. Or you can even partition it and use one just for your scratch disk alone. Also, make sure you assign it to an SSD card, that is an SSD drive that is really fast. Okay, now with that out of the way, you also want to go to let me show you this real quick. Okay, I want you to disable some few features, just some few features, and to do that I want you to go all the way to let's go to tools here. Okay, so you can see we are tools here. Now I want you to click on zoom resize windows. Make sure it's unchecked. All right guys, really important, make sure it's unchecked. Animated zoom, also unchecked. All right, also unchecked. And then also come to enable flick panning, also what, unchecked. Guys, unchecked. Right, now go to general. Now here at general, I want you to look for export to clipboard. All right, now you can do this, you can uncheck this, you can also leave it there like that. You just want to uncheck things that you are not using. Now I use this, so I'm going to keep it there. Sometimes I like to copy things from Photoshop and paste it somewhere in the document. I like to use this. If you don't like it, make sure it is unchecked. Right, now come to resize image drawing place. Resize image drawing place, make sure it is also unchecked if you don't really use it. All right, now everything is done. You can just click on OK, and then that is it. All right, now I also want you to come to edit, and then look for purge. We want to purge the memories. Okay, so you go here, you click on purge all. Now what this is going to do is it's going to clear all your cached data. It's going to clean all your undos. It's going to clean all your clipboards. It's going to clean all your histories. It's going to clean them all. All right, so I'm going to do that. You realize that when you go to history, you ain't going to find anything there. All right, so this helps you Photoshop to run faster. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.